Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can save a section on your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on the main page of my site, and I'll click edit just so that I can get into the editor view of things. Now, as you can see, I have a couple of sections. I'm going to add a new one. Just as an example, I'm going to add a blank one. And now that we have that blank one, we can go ahead and save it in the top left. Now, if I save it and go ahead and click exit, as you'll see, it has been saved right here. It looks ugly because it's empty, but it is what it is. And as you can see, that is how you save it. Now, we're going to make some edits to it. For example, if we edit the section, we can change the design. We can add rows, create gaps if we want to, or remove gaps if we want to, select it and customize it however we want. We can make it fill the screen, we can make it not fill the screen, depending on what we want, and we can also make a divider, as you can see, like so. It really doesn't matter what you want to make it look like, you just add it like this. I'm not going to add a background, and I'm going to choose sort of a darker color if I can, just like so, or rather like that. And now we can save that as well, but before we do, we can add other blocks. For example, we can add an image block, we can go ahead and add a button, we can also go ahead and add a quote, for example, like so. And now that we have these elements and click save, again, if we click on exit and go to our preview, it's going to be saved with all the data that we've put into it and all the elements that we've added. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.